So we should top it short tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called 3D App Version Spoofer, and this allows you to spoof your apps to whatever version you guys want to spoof it to. So you guys can read this right here, but yeah, so just you can spoof your app. Just came out recently, just been updated a couple times though, last couple days. So let's go to, yeah, this is the latest update. If it's an issue with other specific shortcuts, added shortcut for dark mode, handled a case where version field was temporary. So let me go back. Yeah. This tweak is called Doc Search and adds a browser search bar to your on your home screen, which can be used to search the web as websites and so on. Works perfectly with the user's default browser choice, such as Chrome or Edge. Widget called Ming Revamped. That's a green launch screen widget. Pass, change the unlock screen to Windows at speed style for iOS 13 above. So let's go to screenshots. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They call it Music Revamped. Color adaptive iOS like music player. These features right here. This feature is called Juice and unparalleled battery customization. Easy, download and share images and videos from social apps easily. So supports iOS 10 to 14, all these apps right here. Next is called Safe Mode Lip Hooker, Safe Mode app for Lip Hooker. Alarm volume, and set custom volume for alarm timers. Enable on ring, enable on silent options. Fade out volume with custom duration. Options to disable vibrations for alarms and timers. F library. And Spur library to allow tweets to communicate with their services for sandbox app preferences. Alright, so Be Green 13. Set custom battery percentage style. Support and adds the ability for other developers to add their own modules to Control Center. Does this in a safe way so Control Center does not get messed up when a tweak is not loaded. Supports iOS 11 to 14. Called Delete Cut and allows you to enter delete backward word mode while holding Shift key. And this tree is called Dove or Dove and a little more modern. Next tweet is called Icon Tweak. Supports iOS 11 to 14. A12 ARM64E. Support 5 from iPad, iPod Touch. And the main features right here. So I actually do like this tweak though. Backup data, restore data. So it's kind of like an app editor alternative. I prefer app editor, but this is like an alternative app editor. Nalipo. And take control over your change or chart sounds with Nalipo. YouTube, various enhancements to the YouTube app, ground, and rather right at your fingertips. Beta, same thing, pretty much whether right at your fingertips. From StemGrade, and pretty much just like a YouTube tweak, like a YouTube plus alternative. You have many features for YouTube. Zero, and I cannot read this what it does, but it just was updated. And last but not least, we have spring animation throughout iOS 11 to 14. You can set nice springboard animation effects with this tweak, and yeah, this item includes integrations, right to left open app, and leave app make bounce tweets available on my repository. Alright, I'm gonna also add this one, leave app make bounce. And bounce fetch when leaving the application iOS 11. The left open app, and tweak allows you to open the applications from right to left for iOS 11. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in that one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.